I always like to start a question like this by drawing a diagram. So we have a cuboid. And what do we know about it? The height is 6 centimetres. We know that the breadth of the cuboid is 1 less than the length y. Well, the length is y and the breadth is 1 less, so that would be y minus 1. Volume. So volume of a cuboid is length times breadth times height is 72. So 6 times y minus 1, be careful to use brackets, times y is 72. I'm going to multiply the 6 first. 6 times y is 6y. 6 times minus 1 is minus 6. We now multiply by y. 6y times y is 6y squared. Minus 6y equals 72. I'm going to bring the 72 over. And now I'm going to divide everything by 6. 6 divided by 6, 1. Again, 6 divided by 6, 1. And 72 divided by 6 is 12. So there we've answered part A. Part B, and remember you can do B without having done part A. We're asked to factorise it. There's lots of different methods for factorising, but in this case we're looking for two numbers that multiply to give 12 and add to give minus 1. So what multiplies to give 12? Minus 12 and plus 1, minus 6 and 2, and minus 4 and 3. Minus 12 plus 1 is minus 11, so we're not going to use those. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4, so I'm not going to use those. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, so I'm going to use those. My two brackets then are y minus 4, y plus 3 equals 0. Y minus 4 equals 0. That means that y has to be 4. Y plus 3 equals 0. Y is minus 3. And that answer is impossible. And it's simply because length cannot be negative.